In today's news, crypto is dumping hard, people are panicking, wondering why, and amongst the disarray, most will lose sight. Most will not realize that when Ripple goes live globally, it will soar in value. Most will not see this. So first things first though, there are a number of factors that could have weighed into Bitcoin and crypto's recent heavy correction. In this post from Cyprus, he highlights that the PMI is one of these factors. The PMI stands for Purchasing Managers Index, which is an economic indicator with monthly reports from private sectors. And he states the PMI figures from the US came out upbeat and pushed dollar above 104.9, basically prompting intraday dollar strength and the selling in crypto. The dollar was stronger. The other factors are highlighted in this post here from Ash Crypto, where for one, we saw grayscale outflows of $302 million. We also saw excessive leveraging, which is where the whales love to liquidate high leverage longs and shorts, and in this instance, they were liquidating the longs. Another factor, of course, is also the pre-halving Bitcoin halving correction. And finally, it's also the macro factors. Recently, the negative correlation between Bitcoin and the 10-year US Treasury yield negative correlation has reached minus 90%. This means that whenever the 10-year Treasury yield is rising, Bitcoin inevitably is dropping. And yesterday, the yield rose by 4.3%, thus Bitcoin ended up dumping. So this is all well and good knowing this, but the question is what's next? Well, in my opinion, crypto isn't dead, not by a long shot. As highlighted in this video from Good Morning Crypto, it's not a matter of if, but a matter of when. The US banks finally embrace Bitcoin. Just watch how crypto explodes in value.
Now, this is the clip that I wanted to play before I kick it over to Gonzo. Kathy Wood talked about how the majority of banks in America don't have access to assets like Bitcoin yet. Let's talk about the explosive moment that's on the horizon.
We're not finished. And in fact, in our business, what's interesting is the wirehouses, which dominate our customers. So Morgan Stanley, all the advisors at these wirehouses, Morgan Stanley, UBS, Merrill Lynch at B of A, Wells Fargo, not one of them has approved Bitcoin on its platform. That hasn't even happened yet. And those are our primary clients. When that happens, wait until you see.
Explosion.
Think about that, Gonzo. The explosive moment is sitting in front of us, not behind us. We got the ETF approval in January. The majority of US banks don't have access to these assets yet.
The truth of the matter as well is, despite these setbacks, crypto is not slowing down. That is not the case at all. As we can see in this post from Chad, BlackRock, being the largest financial asset manager in the world, its first tokenized asset fund, being Buildle, has surpassed $244 million after only 1 week, and reveals that $1.08 billion in US treasuries have been tokenized across 17 products. This is a very, very big deal. Market tokenization will only pick up steam over the course of the year, and this is all going in accordance to Larry Fink, BlackRock CEO's prediction and his plan, where he stated that he believes the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities, will be the tokenization of securities. And the best part about this is the exact market that Ripple and XRP are going after, tokenization of security. That's why they partnered with Axelar Network. And in the words of the Digital Asset Daily, when Ripple goes live globally, most in the world will not even realize the transition was made. Many retail investors like you and me will not comprehend the instant volume. It will be an exciting moment for everyone, full circle. As XRP will end up being a bridge for CBDCs worldwide. They're the ones that are building the railroads for this new monetary system. As we can see in this post from ISO 20022, India's T+0 settlement, basically instantaneous same-day settlements, is live, which is a very big deal. BSE and NSE introduced T+0 optional same-day settlement for select stocks. The reason this is big news is because Ripple and XRP have very, very deep ties to India, being in partnership with their largest bank and their second largest bank. And again, India is also part of the BRICS nation, so another massive connection to what Ripple are fundamentally trying to do. Same-day settlements, instantaneous settlements, and tokenization of real-world assets to change the financial system as we know it. Don't get it twisted, because Ripple are the ones behind the scenes that are advising these institutions, these governments, on what they need to do to adapt and to survive. In some more bullish news, we have this post here from Cyprus. BSP, Authorized Union Bank. BSP stands for Bangkok Central Energy Filipinas, and they authorized Union Bank as a VASP. which means that they are broadening its crypto services and marketing a milestone in digital finance. And Union Bank's ties to Ripple deepen the expanding offerings, transforming customer interaction and enhancing digital capabilities. So again, another massive connection to Ripple and Union Bank, a massive institution, and governmental connections, the ones that are building the new monetary system. But wait, because there's more. In a massive confirmation here from Chad and Crypto Value Hunter, Ripple Payments is 100% connected to FedNow service and running bank deposits from Uphold instantly. XRP is being used for domestic transactions. That is not speculation, that is a matter of fact. We can see that Crypto Value Hunter just sent money from Uphold to his bank using XRP. The transaction took place almost immediately, which is what people want. But to his surprise, look who set up the transaction. FedNow Credit, FedNow Deposit from Uphold HQ Incorporated. Proof that FedNow, Uphold and XRP is connected. And to really drive my point home in this video for you, listen to this video very closely on why the XRP ledger is definitely made for decentralized finance, why they're going to be a bridge for CBDCs worldwide.
Why do you think the XRP ledger is really, almost made for DeFi in a way? Because I think the throughput and different things make it a really good candidate for that. I don't know if you want to kind of speak on some of the, principles of the ledger that allow that to be successful.
Yeah, that's a great point. So the XRP ledger is not Turing complete, right? It's not intended to be able to build whatever application that a developer can think of. And that's the reason why we are looking into adding an EVM sidechain. But what it is built for, purpose-built, from the ground up, is payments and value transfer. So it is incredibly fast, incredibly cheap for anything payments and value transfer. As I mentioned, it has the native order book DEX, which has a lot of sort of neat capabilities built right into it in terms of price optimization. And all of this happens for a fraction of a penny. So that's really our vision and our hope as we start to partner up with different interoperability players to really make the XRP ledger a hub for value transfer, so that it doesn't matter if you're transacting on Polygon trying to buy an NFT, or you're doing some advanced DeFi strategy on Ethereum. At the end of the day, if you want to swap token A for token B using the right cross-chain infrastructure, that'll execute on XRP on mainnet and land back in your wallet without you ever leaving the chain that you're on, and executing at the fastest speed and lowest price anywhere in blockchain. So that's a vision we're really excited about.
Be logical, be rational, don't be emotional. This video here again is proof to you of what XRP, what Ripple are trying to build, the connections they have, deep ties to governments, institutions, and this is the reason why they can't remain dirt cheap. Yes, Bitcoin and crypto has seen a correction right now. It is dumping right now, but make no mistake, this is temporary. Bitcoin is going to explode higher than we've ever seen before. Institutions want crypto now. BlackRock wants crypto now. And once they get enough of Bitcoin, just wait till they get into XRP, because XRP is the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.